The KTM 200 Duke is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement of power and precision. Born from the DNA of the legendary Duke family, this machine is crafted for those who crave adrenaline and adventure. It stands as a symbol of uncompromising performance and style, designed to conquer both city streets and winding mountain roads with equal ease. From the moment you lay eyes on the KTM 200 Duke, its aggressive stance captivates you. Every curve, every angle speaks of speed and agility. The sharp, edgy design is a testament to KTM's commitment to pushing boundaries. Its lightweight trellis frame provides unmatched maneuverability, allowing you to weave through traffic with confidence and take on corners with precision. Underneath its bold exterior lies a heart that beats with pure power. The 200cc single-cylinder engine is engineered for thrill seekers. It delivers an exhilarating burst of acceleration, ensuring that every twist of the throttle sends a surge of excitement through your veins. With advanced fuel injection technology, the engine responds instantly, giving you total control over every move. The KTM 200 Duke is not just about speed, it's about mastering the ride. Its suspension system is tuned for dynamic handling, providing stability at high speeds while offering comfort on rough terrains. The upside-down front forks and rear mono shock absorber work in perfect harmony, absorbing every bump and dip, ensuring a smooth and controlled ride. Braking power is crucial for a bike of this caliber. That's why the KTM 200 Duke is equipped with high-performance disc brakes and advanced ABS technology. This combination offers superior stopping power, allowing you to brake with confidence, no matter the road conditions. Safety is never compromised, even when you're pushing the limits. The riding experience is further enhanced by the ergonomic design of the seat and handlebars. The upright riding position reduces fatigue, making long rides a pleasure. Every detail is meticulously crafted to offer maximum comfort without sacrificing control or agility. It's a bike that feels like an extension of your body, responding intuitively to every command. Innovation is at the core of the KTM 200 Duke. The digital instrument cluster provides all the essential information at a glance, from speed and RPM to fuel levels and gear position. The bright, easy-to-read display keeps you informed and connected, allowing you to focus on the road ahead. It's a cockpit designed for the modern rider. The KTM 200 Duke is not just a machine, it's a lifestyle. It's for those who refuse to blend in, who live to explore the unknown. Its iconic orange and black color scheme is instantly recognizable, a mark of KTM's racing heritage. It's a bike that turns heads, whether parked in a showroom or roaring down the highway. But the KTM 200 Duke is more than just looks and power. It's about the connection between rider and machine. Every ride is an experience, an adventure waiting to unfold. It's about feeling the rush of wind, the thrill of acceleration, and the freedom of the open road. It's about living life on your own terms. Designed for the urban jungle and beyond, the KTM 200 Duke is versatile and adaptable. Its compact size makes it perfect for navigating city streets, while its robust build is ready for weekend getaways and off-road escapades. It's a bike that fits into your lifestyle, no matter where the journey takes you. The sound of the exhaust note is unmistakable. It's a roar that announces your arrival, a symphony of power and performance. It's the sound of freedom, of breaking boundaries and defying expectations. It's the sound of the KTM 200 Duke, a bike that refuses to be ignored. Customization is key for the modern rider, and the KTM 200 Duke offers endless possibilities. From performance upgrades to aesthetic enhancements, you can make it truly yours. It's about expressing your personality, your style, your passion for riding. It's about standing out in a world of conformity. Fuel efficiency meets power with the KTM 200 Duke. Its advanced engine technology ensures optimal performance without compromising on mileage. It's designed for those who crave speed but also value practicality. It's a bike that balances power and economy, giving you the best of both worlds. The KTM 200 Duke is built to last. Its rugged construction and premium materials ensure durability and reliability. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring uncharted roads, you can count on the KTM 200 Duke to deliver a consistent and thrilling riding experience. Maintenance is made easy with the KTM 200 Duke. Its accessible design allows for quick inspections and adjustments, ensuring that your bike is always in top condition. It's engineered for riders who love to tinker and customize, making ownership a rewarding experience. The community of KTM riders is a global brotherhood. It's about sharing experiences, adventures, and a passion for riding. Owning a KTM 200 Duke is more than just owning a bike, it's about becoming part of a legacy, a tradition of excellence in performance. The KTM 200 Duke is more than just metal and rubber. It's about dreams, aspirations, and the pursuit of freedom. It's about pushing boundaries, breaking stereotypes, and living life to the fullest. It's about the journey, not just the destination. In a world where mediocrity is the norm, the KTM 200 Duke stands as a symbol of rebellion and individuality. It's for those who refuse to follow the crowd, who dare to be different. It's for the dreamers, the explorers, the adventurers. The KTM 200 Duke is not just a motorcycle, it's a passion, an obsession. It's about waking up with excitement, knowing that every ride is a new adventure. It's about feeling alive, feeling the pulse of the engine, and the thrill of speed. Every ride on the KTM 200 Duke is a story waiting to be written. It's about the roads you conquer, the places you discover, and the memories you create. It's about the freedom to go wherever you want, whenever you want. The KTM 200 Duke is a testament to KTM's legacy of performance and innovation. It's a bike that embodies the spirit of racing, the thrill of speed, and the joy of riding. It's a masterpiece of engineering, a work of art on two wheels. In the end, the KTM 200 Duke is not just about the ride, it's about the rider. It's about who you become when you grip the handlebars, twist the throttle, and let the journey unfold. It's about freedom, passion, and living life with no regrets. The KTM 200 Duke is a dream come true for every motorcycle enthusiast. It's about chasing the horizon, exploring new paths, and embracing the unknown. It's about passion, adventure, and the thrill of the ride. So, are you ready to unleash the beast within? Are you ready to experience the thrill of speed, the power of performance, and the freedom of the open road? Are you ready to ride the KTM 200 Duke? Because once you do, there's no turning back.